The Bible is Black History. Bible Study Tip: How to use an online concordance. The concordance, or sometimes called the Bible lexicon, provides definitions and meanings of the biblical words in their original text. For the Old Testament, the original language is Hebrew. For the New Testament, Greek is the language of origin. The concordance can be purchased in a hard copy at most bookstores and on Amazon. But we are going to use the online version because it's just as accurate and it's free. So let's go to the site at thekingsbible.com, and it looks like this. Across the top you'll have the menu bar, and on that menu bar you have Search, Dictionary, Concordance, Atlas, Library. We're going to use the concordance, so we'll click there. It'll take us to this page. We will search the word black, so we'll put that into the search bar, and it'll give us all the verses with the word black. It looks like there are 18 verses found, and we're looking for Job 30 and 30. That's it right there, and it reads, "My skin is black upon me, and my bones are burnt with heat." Now for that verse, and for every verse that you will search, there's a Strong's number. That's the second column that you find highlighted there. We're going to click on that number. And also take note that the word you're searching is always highlighted in yellow. So when we click on the Strong's number, it's going to take us to this page. And the Strong's number for this word is H7835 for the word black used in this context. Listed below that, you have the Hebrew word written out in the Hebrew language. You have the transliteration, you have the phonetics, you have the part of speech, and then what we're looking for here, you also have the Strong's definition. And the definition for this word is to be dim or dark in color, to be black of skin. Following the definition, you have the origin of the word as well as Bible usage. Now, if we were to take a step back to our concordance page and click on Job 30 and 30, it will take us down to the verse that we are searching for, Job 30 and 30. It will give us the verses before and after so that we can understand it within context. So for the kingsbible.com, their concordance is an alphabetized database of word searches. Let's take a look at one more. That would be the Blue Letter Bible. Here we're going to search by verse, and we're going to use the King James Version of the Bible to do that. So let's first take a look at the menu bar. We have Search, Study, Devotionals, Help, Products, Ministries, About, and Donate. We will click on Study, and it'll take us to this page. And there's our search bar. In our search bar, we're going to list the verse that we're looking for, Job 30 and 30. Notice that it's set for King James Version of the Bible, but you can also select other versions. And it'll bring us to this page. And this concordance is going to give us a breakdown of the entire verse. So every word that can be translated from Hebrew to English will be listed here. Those that are not listed are considered filler words, meaning that the English language has used that to fill the verses to make a sentence so that it can be understood in English, in the English language. Regardless of what version of the Bible you're studying from, it is best to use the King James Version of the Concordance so that you can get the original meaning of the verse and of the word that you're searching. Take note that on this concordance, there's the symbol of the speaker. If you click that, you will actually get the pronunciation of the word in Hebrew. And that's the basics of the concordance. There are links below for several of the online concordance for your use. I did, however, pick this verse for a reason. I want to show you some discrepancies within the different versions of the Bible, so I'm going to use this verse to do that. Now, take a look at this verse in several different versions. When we take a look at the New King James Version of the Bible, we find that it reads, "My skin is black upon me, and my bones are burned with heat." But now, if you take a look at this verse in other versions, say the New English Translation, "My skin has turned dark on me." Or if we take the New King James Version or the New International Version, it tells us, "My skin grows black." So The purpose of the scholars of the Bible scholars, is to make this Bible as white as possible. That's why the word turn and grows have to be inserted. That's not what this book says. The book says my skin is black. So I want to say to you again that the biblical Hebrews are black people. It's verified again and again. And so I encourage you to use the concordance because it helps you to identify these differences. I hope this helps you out with your study. Thanks for listening.